Right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. It is Thursday, March 10th, 2022. And yeah, let me go ahead and show you what we're looking at right now. So yesterday, price pushed up all the way to this previous IOC that we had taken some sells off yesterday, or sorry, on Tuesday, and had actually taken it from this R2S level and took a sell down. I only held my trade for 120 pips and missed out on this entire drop. Now what I'm seeing right now is in my opinion, there's still a clear break of structure right here. Broke structure here, broke structure here, broke structure here, right? So that's what I think, in my opinion, is happening, right? And I think there's somewhat of a break structure right here at this point, even though it's hard to see. If we go down to these lower time frames, let's go to the 5-minute. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, high. So I feel like all of these lows were broken right here. So I do think it was a break of structure to the downside, and we could see something like this. You can see prices, it's moving at a different pace right now, truthfully. But let's just go from here. Because one thing we do know is with unemployment that's about to drop in 5 minutes, 4 minutes, is that price can push up all the way up here. So price can push up all the way up here, and we have an ILC here. Well, you know what? Let's go to the 30 minutes, see if there's something clear. Okay, perfect. 30 minute, we have a clear ILC, 62% golden zone. It's looking something like this. Then we drop it down. Go across the board with it. We'll turn that red. And this is what I'm looking for on a trade. And I actually like what this is doing. So we could possibly see something like this. We already seen it cross over on the 15 minute. Starting to cross over here on the 30 minute. And I think it's showing signs, you know, what we're doing right here. So let's just, for time's sake, let's say we take the trade from here. Right. $35 pip stop loss. And this is where I'd like to buy from, is from this ILC. And it matches up pretty perfectly with 27%. So hopefully what we see right here, because we do know that this level is a strong level. You know, we have a little bit of resistance, support, support, support. And we can still see that support's being respected right here, right? Or it's still being used as support at this level. Now, I don't want to drag everything over, but I will drag this one over because we know this is a key level. I think price should push up from here. There's the previously golden zone ILC, so let's see what happens right here. We got about 3 minutes, about 2.5 minutes till that drops, so give me a quick second. Alright, so we got Johnny, thank you for hopping on, bro. So let's see. I mean, we know that price can make this jump right from here and make its way up here. So let's see if it does. Oops. We've got about 1.5 minutes till open. I think price could come here. My thinking is this. Sorry, let me just go ahead and draw this out really quick. I already knew it was basically golden zone right here, right? Let's keep it for what it is. And then we have our buy area right there. So let's see what this EDD unemployment shit gives us right now. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be fast. Usually that's what it does. Probably just gonna fly up or fly down. So if it flies down, I'm looking to buy at this area right here. And if it pushes up from here, I'm looking to sell at this area right here. So one of these two. Let's see what happens. Alright, got about 20 seconds left. Usually this shit does happen pretty quickly. And yeah, core CPI, CPI, and unemployment today. Alright, get your shit ready. And there it's going, flying up. Let's see if we could get a rejection right here at the 50%, so I'd be ready. Let me just draw a little something right here. Go down to these smaller time frames. We'll go to the 1 minute. Let's see what it gives us right here. 533 to 602, so it moved about 70 pips in a minute. But it looks like it's rejecting already. Damn. Big rejection. I mean, hopefully it doesn't reverse right here. I like to see it push up to our zone, so let's see. But that does kind of look like it's going to reverse here. The depth of it. It's a deep rejection, but let's see. Looks like it's getting a little pull back up. You know, truthfully, I thought I would have seen a different push right here. The last 5 seconds kind of showed its colors. Next one should push up. Drive safe, man. Love you more. Have a good day. Call me. Close it. I mean, the 70 pip movement is pretty, you know, it's big in a minute, considering you could see what price had been doing this entire time, right? This is bullshitting the whole way. So, let me actually make this the right color. I mean, this would have been a good buy too, just because it's going off of this key area, right here. But alright, let's see. That's good to continue, but it's got a long way to go, right? It's at 595. We're saying it has to go another 100 pips from here, which I think it could, you know. Let's see what the news was like. Okay, so CPI and core CPI was what they forecasted. Unemployment claims, they were hoping for 220,000, their forecast. They got 227,000, so a little bit over. So that could be a big, a big move. So let's see. Still making its way up. Man, got real lucky yesterday too. Hit for a nice little sell. I think a strong possibility is this area right here too. This ILC. We got the 15-minute running through right here. 50% is usually what it takes. This 50% level, right? Let's move this over here. I'm gonna draw this out though, because it's there. I'm gonna cover all bases. Here's a ILC it's respecting, right? Came in, tapped it, rejecting it. I don't know if I take the trade from that level though. I mean, maybe what they're doing is drawing the fib from this high down. So let's see what that is. It's 50% retracement right there. If they're going from this most recent high, but it's kind of hard to tell. But it is a 50% retracement. And that looks like a huge rejection right there. Damn. Damn. I don't know if I want to take this from here. But this is somewhat of a clear rejection right here, right? Kind of want to take it down from here, but let's see. Realistically, we need something like this. I'm not in there yet, but I don't know if I want to take it from there. It's moved, you know, for it being unemployment claims and the core CPI and all that, it is moving slower than I like. But it does look like it's rejecting this area pretty clearly now. Right? The 5-minute looks crazy. There's still 2.5 minutes left on the 5-minute though. Damn, hit right at 50% though. Sheesh. Maybe this was the move right here. I mean, it obviously looks like the move right here. Damn. I mean, I knew it was coming down, but yeah, it's holding it too. Right now, it's approaching the 1-minute 20 EMA. Right, it's on there. But it looks like it's got enough strength to blow past it. But let's see, you know. Nice little rejection there. Damn, I'm not sure it's gonna continue our way though. That's a pretty steep move right there. Take a look at the 5-minute, the way it's finishing. I mean, I guess it could continue to push up, but it's just moving kind of slow, so that's the only thing I'm worried about right here. Man, it came up yesterday though, man. Little trade I put in yesterday. Came out big for me though. Damn. Yeah, it looks like it's moving down. I don't know if I want to take the trade though, truthfully. There's not as much volatility as I like, for one. So maybe I think, I don't want to force this trade right here, even though I think it's coming down to this level right here. I don't want to force it, truthfully. It's moving off that 1 minute pretty nicely. Good thing we didn't just take a sell right there. I didn't want to force the trade, but good thing we didn't take a sell because I mean it could still come down, but I just don't trust what the trade is doing. You know. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna take any trades until they either hit this area. Let's make it happen right here. This is the 50%. We're gonna set an alert. And now this might not happen until open now, right? I don't think the volatility's there necessarily. So I'm kind of thinking it's either one of the two. And I think this possibly could have negated the move. You know what I mean? I think it's possible it could have. But yeah, I mean maybe this was it right here. Came up, tapped into it, rejected down. This would have been a trade, something like this. Stops just above here. We have 62 pips to the downside, something like that. Man, I'm so lucky now. Fuck. I'm not in any trade, but this is kind of what I'm seeing right here. But I think you know, it didn't. We missed this trade. I thought it would come up to this level using the fib from here, right? And then we have our golden zone. We have our 50%. Look beautiful. Yada yada yada. But didn't make it up there, so that's the problem. And then we have right here this buy ILC right here, perfectly intact and everything, and we would do a buy from this area right about there. Green. So we could see it push up because it still has to break this, right? Obviously, still has to break these EMAs as well, but it looks like it's coming down. But we'll see. I think open is probably what's going to be it. It's probably going to be the one that, you know, gives us the move. It just, I was expecting to see a push up here, fall, push down here, push. You know what I mean? So it's not working like that yet. So let's see. Yeah, there's no volatility right now. I was hoping to see a lot more volatility right here, but, you know, let's see. All right. You know what? I think, Johnny, I appreciate you for tuning in. I didn't see the volatility. I need to use the restroom, so I'm gonna, I wanted to put this on pause, but, I mean, you tell me, should I just keep this video going, or should I just create a new one at open? You let me know, man. See, you're already on here. I don't know. I mean, the volatility is not here, so I think we're going to have to wait about 45 minutes, give or take. So, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and end this stream, and then at open, or at 6:15, so about 30 minutes from now, I'll go ahead and, all right. Yeah, let's just, I'll reopen the stream in about 30 minutes, and, you know, I'm going to try and get a quick workout in right now, and then we'll come back to it. So I'm going to end it, and then we'll get back to it. Appreciate you, man.